In today's recipe, we're going to make easy lemon chicken. First of all, we're going to take 2 large chicken breasts and chop them up into bite-sized chunks. Add this to a bowl and mix in 1 tablespoon of corn flour, then set aside. Next, take a jug and add 300 ml of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, and the juice of 1 lemon. Mix this up and set aside. Take a large frying pan or wok, spray this with fry light. Add the sliced carrot and the chopped chilli. Stir fry this for a couple of minutes. Next, add the chicken stock mixture and bring this to a simmer. Add the chicken breast chunks and cook this for 5 minutes. Add the sugar snap peas. Let this simmer away for another 5 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked through, add the corn flour mixture and let the sauce thicken. Take this off the heat and plate it up. There you have it, easy lemon chicken. Garnish this with some sliced chilli and shredded spring onion. This dish also works well split into 3 for some delicious meal prep lunches.